Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something really exciting for you. We're going to uncover some unknown facts about a classic Russian dish, millet porridge. You may think you know everything about this comfort food, but there's a lot more to it than you might realize. But first, before we dive into the facts, let's quickly talk about what millet porridge is. Millet porridge, also known as kasha, is a traditional Russian dish made from millet grains. It's been a staple in Russian cuisine for centuries and is loved for its hearty, warm, and nutty flavor. Historical significance. Now, for our first fact: millet porridge's deep historical roots. This humble dish has been a staple in Russian cuisine for over 1,000 years. It was a primary source of sustenance for many generations of Russians, especially during times of scarcity and hardship. In fact, during wars and famines, millet porridge often kept families nourished, earning it a special place in Russian culture. Versatile ingredient. Here's another interesting fact. Millet, the main ingredient in millet porridge, is extremely versatile. It can be used in both sweet and savory dishes. In addition to porridge, it's used to make bread, side dishes, and even desserts. So, if you thought millet was just for porridge, think again. Nutritional powerhouse. Millet porridge isn't just delicious, it's also incredibly healthy. This brings us to the nutritional powerhouse of millet. Millet is packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and fiber. It's gluten-free, making it a great option for those with dietary restrictions. Plus, it's known for its low glycemic index, which can help maintain stable blood sugar levels. Millet porridge rituals. Did you know that millet porridge has a special place in Russian culture, even beyond just being a delicious meal? Millet porridge rituals. In Russia, millet porridge has been a symbol of hospitality and unity. It's often served at special occasions and gatherings, and in some regions, newlyweds even share a bowl of millet porridge as a sign of their shared life journey. Versatility and flavors. While traditional millet porridge is often served with butter, honey, or jam, you can get creative and add various toppings to suit your taste. You can make it sweet or savory, adding ingredients like fruits, nuts, cheese, and even spices for a unique twist. So, don't be afraid to experiment with your millet porridge and discover new, exciting flavor combinations. Cultural significance. Millet porridge is not only a popular Russian dish, but it has cultural significance in many Slavic countries. In Russia, it's often associated with the holiday of Maslenitsa, a week-long celebration before Lent, where families traditionally eat pancakes and millet porridge as a way to prepare for the fasting period. Millet porridge plays a vital role in the festivities, and it's a symbol of saying goodbye to winter and welcoming the spring. Regional variations. It's all about regional variations. While millet porridge is a staple across Russia, different regions have their own unique twists on the dish. For instance, in some areas, it's made with milk, while in others, it's prepared with water or broth. This variety showcases the diverse culinary traditions within the country. Exploring these regional variations can be a delightful culinary adventure. Traditional superstitions. Bring some fun and fascinating superstitions. In some parts of Russia, it's believed that if you drop a spoon while making millet porridge, it's a sign of upcoming guests. But if the spoon falls out of your hand, it's a bad omen. So, keep a steady hand when stirring that pot. Superstitions are a significant part of Russian culture, and they even apply to the most common of household tasks. Historical references in literature. Millet porridge is mentioned in various Russian literary works, most notably in Leo Tolstoy's epic novel, War and Peace. This dish makes appearances in literature as a symbol of Russian life and culture. It's incredible how food can be woven into the fabric of storytelling. There you have it, folks, 5 unknown facts about Russian millet porridge. This simple dish is not just a meal, it's a part of Russian history and culture. So, the next time you enjoy a bowl of millet porridge, remember these fascinating tidbits. Shot. Host taking a spoonful of millet porridge? If you found this video interesting, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more exciting content. And let us know in the comments if you'd like us to explore more hidden gems in the world of food and culture. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, keep exploring the unknown and savoring the familiar. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.